Welcome to the fun world of easy Tawa Pizza. Imagine a vibrant kitchen filled with fresh ingredients as the aroma of rich tomatoes and melting cheese fills the air. Today's adventure takes us into an easy-to-follow recipe that shuns the oven for a tawa, offering you a cozy pizza experience just in time for a quick meal. To embark on this culinary journey, gather your essential ingredients all laid out neatly on the counter. Picture fluffy flour, sparkling baking powder, and a pinch of salt waiting to be transformed. As you prepare, visualize your toppings. Colorful bell peppers, onions, and a sprinkle of oregano dancing in your imagination, ready to crown your masterpiece. Creating the dough is where the magic begins. Envision your hands mingling flour and baking powder in a bowl. As the soft texture starts to form, gradually introducing water, you knead the dough, sensing its smoothness growing under your fingertips. This is not just mixing. It's the foundation of flavor that will cradle your toppings, promising a delightful crunch with every bite. After the dough has indulged in a brief rest, roll it out with joy against the floured surface, its rustic charm taking shape. Each turn of the rolling pin brings you closer to the perfect crust, a canvas waiting for your imaginative toppings. Visualize the round circle becoming an enticing invitation for deliciousness, at about a quarter-inch thick, feeling ready for its star moment on the tawa. As you heat the tawa, excitement builds for the assembly. Picture that tawa sizzling as you place the rolled dough, its edges curling enticingly. With a generous spread of tomato sauce and an avalanche of cheese, unleash your creativity by adding every topping you desire. Each ingredient a note in your culinary symphony, from spicy jalapenos to sweet pineapple. Covering the tawa to trap the heat, let it cook for those tantalizing 8-10 minutes. The anticipation heightening as the aroma fills the kitchen. During this time, close your eyes and envision the golden crust emerging and the melted cheese stretching, each moment bringing you closer to pizza nirvana. Finally, the reveal. Lifting the lid unveils a sight to behold. Your tawa pizza, golden brown and utterly irresistible. As you slice into it, the cheese pulls away, creating the perfect stretch. Enjoy this moment, biting into your creation, feeling the harmony of flavors and the warmth of home-cooked goodness. Soon you'll be sharing this simple yet magnificently delectable tawa pizza with friends and family, inspiring more at-home chefs to join in the fun.